Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our series, today we are going to solve one problem where we need to write a Python program which takes three numbers. Okay, basically A, B, C. Let it be A, B, C, three variables and three values as input, and we need to print the greatest number among the three, greater among the three. Okay, first, what is the input? Whenever you got the question, please write what is the input and what is the output. This will give clarity. Okay, input is three values A, B, C. Okay, and what is the output? Output is greater value. Greater value means only one value will give the output, that is also a greater value. This is the input and this is the output. This is our question. Okay, this is our question. Am I right? Now, how to do this? How to do this? First we need to understand it belongs to which category. Okay, we have if and if else and else if. We have three categories, correct? First we need to check. If means only if we have only one category, whether to show it or not, then those cases we need to use if we have two cases, whether this or that, in those cases we need to use if else. Now we have more than two cases, more than two cases, like A is bigger or B is bigger or C is bigger. Total three cases, three different cases. So that then only we should come under this question or category known as else if. How to break the logic? How you will tell, for example, A value, A value is 10, B value is 5, C value is 3. How you will tell A is bigger? How you will tell A is bigger already? If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C. If this is the case, okay, if this is the case, then only we will tell that A is greater than B. Am I right? Am I right? So this is the case. If how you will tell B is greater than both? If B is greater than A and B is greater than C, if this is the case, then you will tell B is greater. If both the things fails, automatically C is greater. Am I right? This is the case. Very simple. And for sure, as per the question, they will give the numbers. They don't give like this 10, 10, 5. Okay. In these three things, which is greater? No one is greater. Why? Because two values have the same value. So these questions, these things they will not ask. Okay. They will give a perfect combinations like 5, 3, 2, or 2, 3, 5, or 3, 2, 5. Sorry, 3, 5, 2. Any one number must be bigger. Like that only they will design the test cases. Okay. This is the question. Now how we will solve this? Is a very easy code with which I told logic. For example, if A greater than B and A greater than C, then you will print A. Okay, just A value is bigger. If else if else if B greater than A and B greater than C, if B is greater than both, then what you will print? You will print B. If both the condition fails, by default you will print directly C. Am I right? This is the case. Only three conditions, only two conditions basically. Every time in the last part, directly else you will encounter like this. So this is the very easy code. Now we'll execute this and we will run and we will check how whether it is printing correct or not. Now I am using online GDB compiler. Now if you observe, see this. First we'll get three variables as input. A is equals to enter the int of input of. They told a number, so that I am using int. Okay, enter the first value, enter the first value. So here they will enter the first value. Next, B is equals to int of input of, enter the second value. So here they will enter the second value. Next, C is equals to int of input of, enter the third value. So basically they will enter the three values. Am I right? So I am using the spelling is wrong. I am using just okay. Now they will enter the three values. Correct. If A value is greater than B and A value is greater than C, if A is greater than both, then what you will print? Will print first first value is greater. Okay. Now next, else if B greater than A and b greater than a and b greater than c. In this case, what you will print? B greater than a and write. These are logical operators, and is a logical operator. Already I have explained. So in this case, what we will print? Second value is greater. So we'll print the second value is greater. If three things fails, then what we will print? We will print third value is greater. Now let's see the result. Just we'll see the result. So first value is 2, 3, 5. Okay, 2, 3, 5. In this case, what it's printing? Third value is better. Okay, correct. Now if we run 5, 3, 2, now it is printing first value is bigger. Now 2, 5, 3. Now what it should print? Second value is greater. So this is the case. We were able to produce the results. And if you have some different logic also, you people can try, and you people can do some different combinations. And if you feel that this program is different to me, you can post in the comment section, so other people also will see and they learn the new code. Okay, I hope I cleared all of your doubts. And if you have any doubt, you can message me or you can comment. Okay, I hope if you like this video, please give me a like. Okay, thank you.